everyone, I'm Steve. Whatever, let's just cut the crap and get right to the best choruses of the 1960s. I've got 6 of them lined up here, and they're amazing and easy to play. Very cool. That was the Rolling Stones right there, obviously, with Jumpin' Jack Flash. I've got Van Morrison coming up, Simon and Garfunkel, Ben E. King, the Beatles, and a couple more. And the one at number 1 is, a smash hit from 1967. It went right to number 1, one of the top love songs of all time, but it's sort of fast and very cool and interesting. I think you're gonna love it. Also, I've got a bonus one at the end. It's not really a chorus, but it's a mega sing-along that everybody's gonna love. So let's just, shut up, Steve, and get to this thing. Let's count them down to number 1, but starting us off at number 6, we got a capo on the 2nd fret. We're in A major for just a classic party song by Neil Diamond, Sweet Caroline. It goes, Sweet Caroline. Very sweet here. So A major, D, A, D, that quick little transition. Good times never felt so. E major, and on that E major, you do this nice little walk up with the open E, 4th fret, 6th fret right there on that low E string, back to A major, D, D, At number 5, we'll keep the capo on the 2nd fret, go to a G major, and play Miss Robinson by Simon and Garfunkel. And his name is Mrs. Robinson. How cool is that? Show you a couple of those notes at the end. So it's in G major, Mrs. E minor, G, E minor, C, whoa, whoa, D, does it again, G, E minor, G, E minor, C, to A minor, and you go. So you hit the low E and then go open A string and hammer it up right there onto the 4th fret, and then open D string and hammer it on, or pick it on the 4th fret of the D string. And strum out that E major chord and you're ready to rock. At number 4, no capo needed. We're in A major for Stand By Me by Ben E. King, one of those great chorus sing-alongs. Right before there, it starts with an E major, so darling, darling, stand by me. Ooh, stand by me. Stand by me. Really sweet, and I'll show you the bass notes too. So you're in A major, give you the chords first, goes down to F sharp minor, I play it with my thumb, then it goes to D major, and then E major, and back to A. Those are the 4 chords right there. But if you want to mix it up, I use my finger like this and go, you palm mute like that, open E string, and add that finger on the 4th fret of the low E string, and do that again. Keeping this finger here, it allows you to quickly just walk it back down to the 4th fret of the low E string and then to that F sharp minor. And if you play it with your thumb like I do, you can release it, open E, back to that, hit it again, and open E again. And because you can't go any lower than the lower E, you go to a D major. That you can hit the open D string to the 4th fret, and when you go to the 2nd fret, you're in E major again, and then you sort of start over on the low again like that. Great way to mix bass with chords. chords. At number 3, let's do the one that I kicked off this video with, Jumpin' Jack Flash by the Rolling Stones. It's in B major, and I'll show you 2 ways to play it. Easy way with a D major, but it's all A major, E major, back to B major. So those are the chords, that 1 bar chord needed, but the rest is the D, A, E. Or you can play all bar chords, you know, as best you can and move around there. But another way to do it, which I think sounds more like the record, if you can take an F major shape and bring it up here to the 7th fret, like that. I use my thumb and go, go all the way up here to a D major on the 10th fret, alright, to A major, same chord shape, to an E major, Jumpin' Jack flashes of gas, gas, gas. And you go to the B major, and that gets you right in here to do this thing. I'll throw that in as a little bonus. You're on the 9th fret of the A and D strings, and go 2 hits like that, down to the 7th fret of those strings, back to the 9th fret of the A and D strings, and then 7th fret of the D and G strings this time, and then you cycle it over and over again. That's the 7th fret of the A and D, 9th fret of the A and D, and back to the 7th fret of the D and G, and you go. Do it again. Now you're in B major and you're ready for the verses. Moving on to number 2, everybody knows this one. It's in G major. It's Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. Right before the chorus it goes, our hearts are thumping or whatever in D major with you, C major, and this is where the chorus begins, C, D, to E minor right there, and I'll show you that cool thing. So you hit a G major, and you got this finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string, and just slide it up to the 5th, right when you strum that chord, ready? And you pick it one more time, maybe an upstroke right there. Then you go to the 3rd fret, with this finger, 2nd fret, and then open, and you're in the E minor. And you can sort of pick from the top down to the E minor like that. Up to C major, U minor, D major, Brown Eyed Girl, G, like that. Really simple and easygoing chords, and of course I'm going to show you, do you remember when? D major, we used to sing G, C, just like that, you know. And at the top of my countdown, this song skyrocketed to number 1 on the charts in 1967. We got a capo on the 2nd fret in E major for Happy Together by the Turtles. Sweet. The whole thing starts in E minor. It's sort of spooky, but don't you love it how it bursts to the E major? So right before that, it does this B major build up, in B major, and then it goes to E major, and C, and here you go, a B minor 7th. If you can do that, you can play a regular B minor if you want to, but if you can do the 7th, that is the key. That's on the 4th fret of the G string, you know, so if you bar it, B minor 7th, back to E major, to G major. Do it again, E major, B minor 7th, E, G, and then it goes back to the E minor. Isn't that a sweet little lick? I'll do a video on how to play that intro real soon, but I promised you earlier a bonus chorus. I'm gonna bring my capo up to the 3rd fret. It's not really a chorus, but everybody knows it. One of those jammin' sing-along songs at the very end, Hey Jude by the Beatles. Ready? Man, everybody knows this thing. D major, to C major, down to G. Keeps rocking that thing, just cycles over and over again. D, C, G, D major. Give it a mega strum out, and one more pop, and you're good to go. All right, I'll catch you around the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you around.